Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing stressors and establishing predictable routines. This matters because snakes respond to consistency. Once done, approach the enclosure slowly, talk softly, and lift with a support hand under the body. Avoid sudden grabs. Make sure to work when your ball python is neither freshly fed nor shedding. That reduces defensive bites. Use a hook to guide movements at first, then progress to gloved hand contact. You will reinforce calm behavior with brief, positive experiences immediately after handling. Now you implement gradual desensitization so the snake learns handling equals safety. Start by extending sessions from 10 to 20 minutes, then to 30, and keep sessions predictable. Consistency builds trust. Once you can support the snake fully, use a target stick scented with its bedding or prey to separate your hand from feeding cues. This prevents accidental strikes. Make sure to reinforce calm responses with brief praise and no sudden motions. Repeated calm exposure rewires the snake's defensive associations into tolerance. To finish, lock in a maintenance routine that prevents relapse. You should handle on a regular schedule, keep temps stable, and always feed separately so hands are not associated with prey. Once established, reduce session intensity if the snake shows stress signals and rebuild slowly. If biting returns, pause handling for 1 to 2 weeks and reassess husbandry. Also inspect for illness, mites, or improper humidity that provoke defense. If problems persist, seek advice from an experienced keeper or herpetological vet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.